Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a typewriter sort of animation to your text on Canva. So select text and just select any font that you'd like. I'm just going to type in ducklings. Okay, then to add in that typewriter animation, it's super simple. You'll just need to select animate here. And then here, you're going to select the typewriter one. You can also adjust the speed. Don't really see a whole lot different, but you can adjust the speed here. You can animate it both on enter or on exit, like that. You can also do word by word or character by character, but obviously typewriter, you'd want it to be characters. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.